I welcome you back again to another awesome video lecture on Python programming for absolute beginners by Emenwa Global. In this video lecture, we are going to look at another decision-making statement known as if-else statement in Python programming. We will also go ahead and learn how to use it in our programs to make decisions. Let's quickly move over to our computers now and get started immediately. Okay, previously we looked at if statements, but there is something that is really missing out. I'll go ahead and remove all these from here. And I'm going to leave this because they will not run anything at all. But I'm going to leave this particular one here because we're in a case where this person is below 18 or above 18. What will happen? Nothing is printed out for us if this person is below 18. We notice that the previous time we took this under if statement. So if this person is below 18, let's say if age is less than 18, then nothing will be printed out for us if we go ahead and run this code. Let's run this code. You see nothing is on the console because there is no else statement. But if you go ahead and say else, this, what will happen is, go ahead and say print. So we need to put print and go ahead and print you are not eligible because you are below 18, and go ahead and put this here and run this code. Run first project, and you see you are not eligible because you are below 18. This is because we have an else statement taken care of. When you didn't meet up, then something else should do what? Take over. So in this case, let's go ahead and check out the second one, and this says if A or if B is equivalent to 9, or if B is equivalent to 10, when B is not, go ahead and print out. Let's go ahead and print out D. Else, go ahead and print out C minus A. C minus A. And let's go ahead and run this code. Run first project, and this is 2. So C minus 8, 7 minus 5 is 2. Because B is not equivalent to 9, but we're in a case B is equivalent to 9. So if B is equivalent to 9, run this code. And this is 35. That is A multiplies C, which will execute this. So this is the essence of using else statement, so that when a condition is not met, then it should go ahead and run into the next one instead of leaving the user hang on. Because a user that is using your application should expect a result and not an empty screen. So if you are giving out an empty screen, then you are not a good developer. So I believe you've learned how to use the if-else statement in Python programming. So that is really very interesting, and I believe that you're learning something very interesting here. So go ahead and pull it down and check it out and make sure you are really getting stuff right and positive. And if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question or answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.